This is a tutorial on how to post and create a custom YouTube video thumbnail. You can start off by typing YouTube into Google. Once you've done that, you can click on the YouTube link, head on up to the top right of your screen, and click Upload Video. Upload your video. I tend to grab mine from my desktop and pull it onto this section where it says Drag and Drop Files. From here, you can see the thumbnail section. Here is where you can select a custom thumbnail, and as you can see, it's processing the video. YouTube will automatically generate 3 custom thumbnails, and they are usually not that great, so most videos would be preferred to have a custom thumbnail to be uploaded. In this video, we're going to show you how to create that custom thumbnail. So we'll head on over to Google, we'll open a new tab, and we'll type in Canva YouTube thumbnail. Click enter, and then head on down a couple notches. You'll see this link here. It'll also be in the description of this video, and it will take you to the Canva website with a series of YouTube thumbnails. I always go over to the free section. However, there are a lot of these thumbnail templates with little dollar signs, and those are for whatever reason paid, even though we selected free. So I just go and choose a free one. This is usually my go-to. And you head over to the Customize This template, and here we are. So I'll go ahead and just delete this guy right away. And you can delete all the elements just by clicking the delete button on your keyboard. We'll go to the top, select the text, and you can slide it to the right to extend the length. We will type how to make a thumbnail extend, and then we can shrink it and then click the background, extend that to whatever length you would like. And then you can also change the color of that as well. You can head over to the top left and select whatever color you would like. Final touches. And then when you're moving to the bottom section, try and keep a little bit of a space at the bottom right of your thumbnail. This will leave room for the logo that tells you how long your video is, especially on mobile view. Looks okay. It's a bit plain, so you can head on over to your elements and add a image. It's kind of like clip art. So I typed in thumbnail to see what came up, and I didn't see anything good, but just an example. If you find something that you might like, you can click it and move it around, and you can change the color of it as well. So this is not what we're going to use. We'll delete it, and why not? We'll type in the flames. Get some fire going. I tested out this one, and it's okay, but I think it needs some color, so move on over to the orange, red, yellow, and delete this one. Probably looks best down here, so you can play around with it. You can also adjust the rotation. I think it probably looks better straight. I think that looks okay for now, and we'll go to the top right to share. Head on down to download. Click it, download, and then on the Mac here, Google Chrome, which is the browser we're running on, it downloads to the bottom left. We drag it onto the desktop below, and then we can head back over to our YouTube video tab, grab it from your desktop, and drop it. We now have a couple of previews. If we click next and go through the publishing steps, we will have our video ready to go. We'll view it on our live channel. There we go. Looks fantastic. There is a large scale view. Going into our playlist, and look at that. Goes with our theme, our brand. Looks great for our channel. Leave a comment below if you use this video to make your thumbnail. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to go from zero to monetization.